Today we are going to steam broccoli in the microwave. You will need pre-cut broccoli or broccoli crowns, a fork, a slotted spoon, a microwave-safe bowl, a tablespoon, an oven mitt, and a microwave-safe plate, a sharp knife, a cutting board. Rinse the broccoli under cold water. Rub on it with your hands to get it clean. Cut the broccoli tops close with your knife. After the stem has been cut off, you can break the tops off with your hands. At the end, you can cut off more of the broccoli stem and then use your knife to make the broccoli pieces the same size. Put your broccoli into the bowl. Turn your water on just a little so you can fill up your tablespoon and pour the water over the broccoli. Do this for 3 tablespoons. Put your bowl of broccoli into the microwave and cover with your plate. Cook for 3 minutes. Wearing your oven mitt, take the broccoli out of the microwave. Check to see if the broccoli is cooked by poking it with your fork. If it is still too hard, put it back in the microwave, cover with the plate, and cook for 1 more minute.